One sunny afternoon, Gabriel was zooming his toy cars across the kitchen floor as Mum stirred a big pot of soup on the stove. The kitchen sizzled with wonderful smells, and the pot on the stove went bubble, bubble, hiss. Gabriel glanced up, balancing on tiptoes.
Oh,
What's that making all the bubbly noise? He wondered aloud, reaching his hand towards the edge of the counter. Suddenly, a voice sang out from the toaster. Stop right there. With a startled hop, Gabriel spun around. Before his wide eyes, 3 tiny, chatty friends stood in the gleam of a kitchen light, a bright little flame called Sparky, a sparkly water drop named Cool Blue, and a plucky safety vest who introduced himself as Captain Careful. We're the hot spot heroes, they said together, each striking their own super pose. And we help kids like you stay safe from burns. Gabriel frowned thoughtfully. Can you teach me? I don't like getting ouchies. Of course, chirped Sparky. Let's start with Rule 1, hot means don't touch. Sparky glowed a warm orange. See things that steam, sizzle, or shine like me. Stoves, ovens, irons, and kettles, all hot spots. Always ask an adult before getting near. Captain Careful gave a big thumbs up. Remember, if it's hot, those hands are best kept off. Gabriel nodded, sitting on his hands to keep them safe. Rule 2, watch out for hot drinks and food. Just then, Mum poured soup into a bowl. Cool Blue wobbled over, her voice as gentle as a stream. Hot drinks and foods can trick you, they don't always look dangerous. Wait for an adult, and check before you sip or nibble. Gabriel looked at his steaming soup with wide eyes, then blew. Still too hot. I'll wait for Mum's thumbs up. Rule 3, stay away from flames. Sparky sparkled near a flickering candle as the room grew a little darker. Flames, fires, and matches aren't for kids, they burn really fast. Only grown-ups should ever get close. Gabriel tiptoed away from the pretty candle on the table. I get it, adults only for fire. Rule 4, if something feels hot. Cool Blue bounced and splished. If you ever touch something hot, by accident, tell an adult quickly, and run cool water over the spot. It'll help your skin feel better and heal faster. Captain Careful added, quick action is the smart choice. Gabriel imagined being the fastest runner to the tap, just in case. Now let's play the hot spot game. Captain Careful grinned. The heroes skipped room to room. Gabriel joined the fun, pointing at hot things, kitchen stove? Hands off. Iron in the laundry? Step back. Hair straightener? Only if an adult says it's all right. Microwave leftovers? Always check first and wait for them to cool. I'm a hot spot hero. Gabriel beamed proudly. Mum scooped him in for a hug. Super careful, super safe. Well done, Gabriel. Gabriel ticked off the big lessons with his fingers. Hot means stop. Wait and ask. Stay away from flames. Cool water and tell an adult. The heroes saluted. Safety first. Smart kids stay safe. From that day on, Gabriel double-checked before touching anything hot, and his hotspot hero friends knew he'd always remember their rules. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
bye.